Welcome to our quick guide on enabling high-priority notifications for WhatsApp groups. If you've ever missed an important message because it got lost in the sea of notifications, this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and show you how to set it up in just a few simple steps. First, open your WhatsApp app. Make sure you're on the main chat screen. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on those dots to open the menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for WhatsApp, where you can customize various aspects of the app. Once you're in Settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This will open up all the notification settings for WhatsApp. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see the Groups section. In this section, you'll find an option that says Use High Priority Notifications. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. And that's it. You've successfully enabled high-priority notifications for your WhatsApp groups. From now on, important group messages will be given higher priority in your notification center, making them less likely to be overlooked. This feature is especially useful if you're part of multiple groups, but only want to stay on top of messages from certain ones. It ensures that you don't miss out on crucial updates or time-sensitive information. Remember, you can always come back to this setting and turn it off if you find it's not working for you. WhatsApp is all about customizing your experience to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tip helps you stay more connected and informed in your WhatsApp groups. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.